Toyota forklifts are best known for their quality, durability, reliability, and overall value. In addition, Toyota forklifts are protected by an industry-leading warranty. We understand that a forklift is a big purchase, and our warranty plans are designed to protect your investment for years to come. As your forklift partner, Toyota provides 2 standard forklift warranties, Basic and Powertrain. Most Toyota forklifts are covered for 12 months or 2,000 hours under the basic warranty coverage. Toyota's order pickers and reach trucks are covered for 4 months or 750 hours. Toyota's powertrain warranty continues for up to 36 months or 6,000 hours on most models and covers drive motors, electronic control panel components, contactor panels, differentials, and drive axles. Toyota's Extra Care warranty program is available at the time of purchase and up to 30 days after your forklift is delivered. Toyota genuine parts are covered under a factory warranty for 1 year or 2,000 hours under normal conditions. If a Toyota genuine part fails within that time frame and it was installed by a Toyota certified technician, Toyota will also cover the cost of labor. The Toyota brand is known for engineering and manufacturing products of the highest quality. When you partner with Toyota for your material handling needs, you not only get a top-of-the-line forklift, you also get a strong standard warranty solution and a cost-effective extended warranty option to protect your investment for years to come. For more information on Toyota forklifts and how you can protect your material handling investment, visit toyotaforklift.com.